Welcome everyone to our Live Good Affiliate Marketing presentation. And I'm excited na mag-share sa inyo itong isang opportunity na sobrang dami nang natulungan, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. At take note, hindi lang mga Pilipino, kundi iba't ibang lahi. And before tayo mag-proceed, pakilala muna ako ng saglit lang. I'm Coach Martnel Dagasdas and one of the Live Good Pioneer. Oh, I've been in this company for actually 3 years already, and it has really changed my life and my family's life as well. So, as in, sobrang laki ng naitulong nito, no? Discover ko lang din po ito online. Yes po, wala pong personal na nag-share sa akin, nag-refer po nito, kundi na-discover po natin, no? And naging answered prayer din po talaga. If you're someone who is praying, maybe lang po, baka ito na po yung pinagpe-pray nyo na opportunity. And I'm also a professional network marketer. So I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin kasi nagsimula tayo at a very young age. And one of the speakers bureau of our team and full-time na po tayo. So ito na po yung ating bread and butter. Okay, and I'm the founder of my team, Zeal Empire. So shout out po sa ating team dyan. And currently a platinum rank member. But this presentation is not all about me, but rather it's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan matin this year to the help of this opportunity. Kaya I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So before we proceed, meron tayong short disclaimer that this presentation is intended to provide an overview ng negosyo po na to. And wala po tayong sinasabi dito ng mga legal, financial, or even investment advice. Kumbaga, lahat ng i-share ko po sa inyo are for educational purpose only. And lahat ng mga ipapakita ko rin pong mga resulta that includes earnings are illustrative lang po at hindi siya considered na typical. Kasi kahit saang negosyo po, lahat ng success natin will be determined by our own efforts and the time na invest natin. So hopefully clear po tayo dyan. And before we proceed, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video of our CEO. Eh, kumbaga ito po yung bird's eye view on who and what this company is. So, pakinggan po natin 'to and let's focus. Okay? In the next few minutes, okay, focus po tayo dito because very powerful po nito at ito yung talagang summary ng Live Good.
Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Since we launched just a few short years ago, LiveGood has become the fastest growing company in the entire health and wellness industry and the fastest growing company ever in the network marketing industry. And we haven't just broken records, we have absolutely shattered them, with over 2 million people already having joined LiveGood in just the first few years. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world are generating extra income from home. We've paid out over $100 million in commissions, introduced close to 50 of the highest quality, life-changing products. We've been featured all over the internet, on podcasts, news articles, even on TV. We are changing lives. And the most exciting part is this is just the beginning. So how has LiveGood become so successful the past few years? Well, so many other companies are struggling, losing customers, and going out of business. One word, timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in the wellness space, trends in the economy. What worked for 10 years ago isn't working today. The world has changed. Buying habits have shifted. Consumers are not spending money the way they used to. They're getting smarter. They're comparing quality, comparing ingredients, value, and no longer blindly believing anything they see or hear on the internet. People are looking for ways to save money without compromising quality. And companies still doing it the old way, making a product for $5 and trying to sell it for 60, doesn't work anymore. In the words of our Director of Field Development, Nar Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. People want and deserve value. They want high quality for a fair price. And that's exactly what we're doing at LiveGood. Alongside our world-class team, including industry expert Lisa Goodkin and leading formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the scientific mind behind our products, creating only the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium nutritional supplements and making them available for just a few dollars above cost. Take our organic Super Reds, for example. Probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than best-selling non-organic Super Beets for half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 750 milligrams CBD for as much as $80. We have the highest quality premium USDA certified organic CBD oil available anywhere for just $14.95. So what does this mean for you? Well, on top of saving a ton of money on the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help you get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way, we also have the most powerful opportunity to earn income as well. When you have the highest quality supplements at the lowest prices anywhere, it makes it very easy for people to understand and want to join. And on top of having products that literally sell themselves, we also have the simplest and most duplicatable compensation plan and power line driven marketing system the industry has ever seen, proven by over 2 million members joining in just the first few years. So the way the power line works, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in the power line and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. Each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. Now, since it's a 2x matrix, that means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the people who are already in. So anyone who falls below you in the matrix, whether you enroll them or they were placed there by someone else, you will get paid on them. So even one person in your matrix who goes to work and builds a team could very realistically be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income. And if you want to earn even more, just by enrolling 2 people, you triple your earning potential by qualifying for our matching bonuses. Without enrolling people, you have the potential to earn up to $2,047 per month in the matrix. If you decide to share the products and opportunity with others, there's no limit as to how much you can earn. Just by being a member of Live Good, not only do you get to save money on the highest quality products at the lowest prices every day, but getting in this early, you also have a huge opportunity to get in before the real growth happens. 2 million members in just our first few years is absolutely amazing. Never been done before in the history of the home-based business industry. But that is a tiny number compared to where we're going to be in the next few years. None of us are getting everything we need out of our daily diets. Everyone needs nutritional supplements. 60% of people are already using supplements. That's over 5 billion people worldwide. And Live Good is the only company on the planet offering the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium products at the lowest prices anywhere. Talk about a competitive advantage. Once people see Live Good, they can't unsee it. Nobody is going back to spending $60 on a greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for $19.95. That's why over the next few years, as millions and millions of people hear about Live Good, we fully expect 10 million, 20 million, potentially 50 million people or more to join Live Good. It just makes sense. And the only place for them to go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner people can be placed in your team. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the form on the right, check out all of our life-changing products on the website, and it's not hard to see why millions of people are making the switch to Live Good. Getting healthy, staying healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earning extra income in their spare time from home with Live Good. Fill out the form. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. So at least right now, meron na kayong idea on who and what this company is. And syempre dito sa ating presentation, mas explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So again, welcome to this amazing company called Live Good. So Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. So ayun, nasa 3 years na po tayo and we are still at the pioneering stage. And si Live Good po is a US-based direct sales company na ang focus ay wellness and digital service industry. And here are some reasons why Live Good. Alam ko maraming mga companies out there but sabihin ko lang sa inyo, no, anong meron dito sa Live Good na wala sa iba. Okay? Although may mga common pero let's see, no? Number one, we have these amazing products. Okay? When we say amazing, quality, pure, potent, and organic yung mga products natin. And at the same time, meron tayong mga certifications na magpapatunay na maganda talaga yung quality ng ating mga products. And not just that, number two, incredible yung prices. Kasi marami namang magandang products out there, kaso nga lang, ang mamahal. Tama? Mabubutas muna yung bulsa mo at hirap i-maintain. Okay? But dito, amazing products na, incredible prices pa. 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. So, hindi ka dito pipilitin ng company na bumili ng products every month. You buy whenever and whatever you want. Number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, dito hindi ka po, kumbaga sigurado ka, no? Quality yung makukuha mo kasi, within 90 days, no? Pag nakuha mo yung product and tinake mo, nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, hindi mo siya nagustuhan, actually pwede mong isauling lalagyan ng product. And no questions asked, ipabalik po sa inyo yung pera nyo. No? Rare lang po tayo kita ng company ganun, no? Of course, ito talagang uso to sa US, but here in the Philippines, wala akong masyadong narinig na ganun. May money back guarantee? Wala masyado. Ayan. And number 6, number 1, business to join. So, syempre, tingnan natin ano na yung naging track record ng company. Bakit magandang salihan, especially no nasa 3 years pa lang po tayo. Okay? Number 1, na dito we have triple A plus no na rank. Okay, sa Business for Home since 2024. So, ibig sabihin yan, kumbaga sa school pa, it's with highest honor, no? Kumbaga sa school. Okay? And ibig sabihin, pinagkakatiwalaan, maganda, credible, and long-term yung company. Okay? And of course, na-feature din po tayo sa DSN na nag-celebrate tayo ng 1 million members. Ano nyo, ilang buwan lang po? 13 months. Yes, 13 months in less than 2 years. No? So, talagang indeed breaking the record. Okay? And ano pa? Yan, nakapag-payout lang naman po tayo ng 140 million plus US dollar in commissions, no? Sa mga affiliates po natin. Ibig sabihin, ganun po ka-profitable. At the same time, ganun ka-generous yung company po natin. Whereas ibang company, 3, 5, even 10 years, pangarap po yan nila na sales. But in here, payout lang po pinamigay sa mga affiliates. And of course, as of now, nasa 2.2 million plus members and affiliates na po tayo worldwide. Ibig sabihin, ganun po tayo pinagkakaguluhan, ganun po dumadagsa yung mga taong sumasali dito because it makes sense. No? And of course, the business model ng company. Yan. So, yan po, no? And ngayon, tingnan natin kung bakit the people, no? The people behind the success of the company, no? Hindi pa man super duper successful, pero kahit paano, meron nang napatunayan. Okay? So sa mga bago dito, I encourage you before joining an opportunity or a company, you have to first look at 3 things. Yun, tinatawag nating 3 Ps. Ano yun? Company profile, company product, and company pay plan. So yung profile natin, of course, the people, no? Yan, yung mga tao nagpapatakbo kasi kahit maganda yung product and maganda yung pay plan, pag hindi okay yung company owner, wala din. Mag-effort ka pero short term lang, no? And of course, the product, kailangan may magandang product kasi hindi maging long term yung isang kumpanya kung yung product sablay. And of course, the pay plan, hindi dapat pro company, hindi rin pro distributor lang. Dapat pareho sila, pro company and pro distributor, no? Both nagbe-benefit. Ayan. So, ngayon tingnan natin. Starting from our first P, the profile, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, nagsalita kanina. Ano, sobrang hanga po ako nito, no? Because he is so simple. And syempre, marami na rin siyang mga negosyo na tinayo and marami din naging successful. Okay? And he's been an owner of companies for how many years? For decades na rin actually, no? And he's been in this industry for actually 20 plus years na. No, kumbaga in short, veterano. Hindi po tayo pag-eksperimentuhan. Okay? And masabi ko because of the business model that he had created dito po sa LiveGood, para po siyang si ano po si Elon Musk. Yeah, Elon Musk of direct selling industry kasi napaka-genius po talaga, no? Ayan, and very transparent, maririnig po natin siya every time na meron po tayong Zoom call every week, no? And he really want to help yung lalo especially yung mga everyday people. Ayan. And yan po no ating ano naman Director of Field Development si Noder Kazan. So siya naman po yung in charge syempre sa pagtulong, pag-educate po sa mga affiliates po natin. And he has been in this business for 30 plus years na rin. So both of them, combined experience, kung negosyo ng pag-usapan, 50 plus years na. So confident tayo na pang long term po ito. Okay? Kasi veterano na po yung humahawak. Okay? Ang ating mga captain, kapitan po ng ating ship. Ayan, or ating mga pilot. Ayan. Okay? And of course, ang ating in charge sa products po natin, ayan, si Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Ayan. Director of Product Development and Product Education. So sila po yung in charge sa pag-formulate, pag-create ng products, and pag-educate sa atin. And maganda ito kasi they have seen it everything. Sa health and wellness, sa pharmacy, everything po, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And they make sure when they create products, highest quality, potent, and talagang magkakaroon tayo ng magandang effect sa health natin once na nag-take po tayo ng ating mga products. No, enough po yung mga dosages ng products po natin, okay? Products natin para ma-feel natin no na magkaroon ng effect talaga sa health. Yan. And makikita niyo rin po talaga na ina-apply din na. And lahat po sila, of course, ating mga owners, mga healthy person, no? Ayan. And yun po ng ating unang P, the profile. So, yung goal naman natin, ito napakasimple, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it, and to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So, ito naman po yung ating mga products. Actually, we have 50 plus. Yes, you heard that right. We have 50 plus products na all of it are made in the USA, certified by the GMP and USDA. Okay? And di lang yan, meron tayong certifications, mga lab test for purity and potency. And ito po yung mga bagong products po natin na mga kakalabas lang. Ayan, yung CBD gummies, ayan, for our brain, ma-relax tayo, recovery and comfort, and restful sleep. So for now, ayan is of course available to in the US, and sa atin medyo, ayan, pinag-uusapan pa kasi syempre yung about sa ano ah, CBD 'no? Ayan, hopefully magkaroon na po ng batas kasi may maraming benefits po talaga nito. Basta siyempre, gawin lang po or formulate lang ng tama. Okay, and of course itong ating NAD Plus, 'no, cellular energy, brain health, ayan, especially sa mga, tumatanda or mga matatanda na 'no? Maraming benefits din po nito. You can search nito, okay, naka-strip po siya, okay, para madaling ma-dissolve po sa ating tongue and ma-absorb din po natin. Okay, ano ating, kalalabas lang din ang ating parasite cleanse, grabe naman. Kasi siyempre lahat po tayo ay di natin alam 'no, especially mga mahihilig ng mga, sushi, yung hindi talaga, yung mga hindi niluluto 'no, ayan. So, di natin alam 'no, may parasite pala, okay. So, ang maganda dito kasi kine-cleanse niya, okay. And not just that, yung full cycle from egg 'no, from adult, okay, at, lahat ng cycle ng, parasite tinatanggal po sa ating katawan. Ayan, of course mga herbs po 'yan, okay, and mga natural na ingredients ang meron diyan. Okay? Yan, you can order that on our website as well. Okay? So yung mga products natin, and of course, we are a legit company. We are registered in Florida, USA. And ito pa yung mga certifications natin, nagpapatunay na quality and maganda yung mga products natin, and walang nahalo na kung ano-ano man. Okay? And syempre dahil nga iba-iba yung pangangailangan natin, our company keeps creating products tailored for our specific needs, no? So walang one size fits all, no? Na pag tinig natin 'to, lahat ng naramdaman natin, 'di ba? Issue ng katawan natin is mawawala. No, wala pong gano'n. Okay? Ayan, walang tinatawag na magic pill. So, ang products natin, kine-create po 'yan para i-ano, i-address, no? For example, meron tayong pang men's, meron tayong for women's, 'di ba? O we also have paano ba tayo mag-order dito? Very simple lang po, no? You can order as a consumer or member. Okay, both of them low price, mabibili mo yung mga products and especially pag lalo na pag nag-member ka. Okay, and ngayon ito naman yung price comparison natin. Okay, so ang company profile check, yung pangalawang P naman, the product, yung quality, super check, no? Ayan. How about the price? Kasi maraming magagandang products out there, tama? Maybe some of you or ikaw na-try mo na rin. Magandang product. Oh, 'di ba? May mga ano ka na, na-try ka na, 'di ba? Kaso nga lang ang expensive. Hirap i-maintain kasi ang mahal. 'Di ba? Mahal na nga ngayon ang mga bilihin, ang mahal pa ng supplement kaya pipiliin na lang natin na indain yung ating nararamdaman, which is hindi naman okay 'yun, 'di ba? So, ang good news kasi because of the business model that we have, our company creates quality products at factory or wholesale price. Yes, you heard that right. Especially ito, pakita ko na po sa inyo itong greens natin. Alam ko dito sa atin sa Pinas ang dami, talamak na po, no, yung mga pangalan na natin, yung barley, 'di ba? Alam niyo po ba, kung i-compare natin 350 grams, no, sa serving po, no, ng product natin kasi 350 grams po na, yung sa atin eh. And take note, hindi lang barley yung meron tayo. Sa ibang company, alam niyo magkano binebenta? 70 to 100 US dollar. That's around 3,600 to 6,000 for 350 grams. Ano yung sa atin magkano lang, magugulat ka. Kasama na shipping fee ha. Oh, hawakan niyo yung ano niyo, hawakan niyo yung yung upuan niyo. Magkano? 2,000 pesos. Ganun ka affordable. Yes, oh ito pa. Oh, ito pa, ito I don't know kung sa mga nasa ibang bansa, especially sa US, sa Canada. Ito, mga to popular and billion dollar companies. Isang ano lang, kung isang category lang product nila, essential oil. Ano ba magkano yan? 8,000 to 13,000 anim. Anim na essential oils. Ano yung sa atin magkano lang? 3,000 mahigit. 3,000 mahigit lang. That includes shipping fee. Grabe. Ito black seed oil, alam niyo po ba ito? May testimony din po ako to sa ano ko, sa family ko, mama ko, papa ko. Ayan, karon ng rheuma, arthritis, may ano din mataas din yung sugar ng mama ko. I mean, pinatay ko lang din sa kanila. Ayan, gumanda po yung pakiramdam nila. Nag-okay po. And totoo nga, actually, ni-research ko rin po talaga siya eh. Kaya nga, nasabi po no na it is remedy for everything but death kasi meron po siyang compound na unique po sa kanya dun sa black seed oil na yan na talagang nakakatulong, no? Lahat, no? Halos lahat. Okay, except lang siyempre sa kamatayan. Okay, karang maraming gumagamit niyan and unang panahon na it has been thousands of years na, no? And natagpuan nga yan sa kabaong ni King Tut, no? Sa Egypt. O, sa iba, alam nyo magkano binibenta yan? 48 to $50. Around 3,000 mahigit, ganun. O, 3,000. Hindi lang mga ganun, 3,000. Alam mo sa atin magkano lang? O, sama mo ng shipping fee, nasa Pilipinas ka lang, o, around 1,400. O, 1,400 o 1,500, ganun. 'Di ba? Oh, gano'n. And ito, collagen, naku, ang daming mga gumagamit yan sa panahon natin yung mga gusto magpabata o sa iba binebenta up to $80. Gano'n kamahal. Sa atin magkano lang? O same sa essential oils, around 3,000 mahigit. So, quality check, no? Kasi meron tayong mga certifications, organic, USDA, no? Yung certifications natin, check na check. So, yung pricing sobrang check, 5 star, no? 5 star yung ating pricing. So ngayon, mapapa-question kayo. Alam ko, isipin niyo rin 'to kasi even ako nung nalaman ko 'to, paano nangyari 'yun? Okey, kasi kung gano'n malulugi daw yung company, 'di ba? Hindi ba malulugi yung company, maba-bankrupt dahil nga siyempre wala na masyadong konti lang kinikita. Actually hindi masyado na. Okey, hindi naging possible 'yun is because of the business model ng company. Yan. So, mamaya i-share din po natin yan. Okay? So, profile check tayo and products per check and Ito yung sobrang na-appreciate ko rin kasi itong si Live Good, we are available actually in 200 plus countries at territories. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Within these countries, nakikita nyo po sa screen nyo right now, magagawa po natin negosyo, matatanggap po natin yung products, and at the same time, matatanggap po natin ang payout. 'Di ba? Oh, gano'n kaganda. So, for now 'no, may ibang countries na hindi po puwedeng mag-receive especially sa Middle East 'no, kasi dahil nga sa ongoing na, alam mo 'yun, nangyayari 'no. But, the rest, eh, 'pag nag-order, ayan sa Pilipinas, natatanggap po natin. Ako, naka-order na po ako ng maraming beses, tatanggap po natin 'no. So, gano'n kaganda. Ibig sabihin, literally wala pong saturation. Sa totoo lang, walang saturation. Okay, kaya ano po ito, eh, advanced technology kumbaga. Kasi while other companies, they open countries, one country at a time, sa atin alam niyo, since day one, 220 countries and territories agad. Gano'n kalupit. Okay, and ito po yung mga partners natin worldwide. We have in Uzbekistan, in Russia, in Indonesia, Africa, Nigeria, South Africa, yan, Mauritius, Seychelles, no, India, Sweden, Bangladesh, in Vietnam, and many more, okay? Ayan, di ko na maisa-isa, siyempre dito sa Pilipinas, alright? Ayan po. So, how is it possible? Ito, dito na tayo sa exciting part. It is because of the business model. So, ano ba yung business model natin? Subscription. So, in simple explanation, itong subscription po, it is a business model kung saan ang mga tao nagbabayad monthly or yearly. Para ano? Ma-access yung products, services, or even benefits. Ngayon, tanong ko lang sa inyo, meron ba kayong naaalala? Nagbabayad kayo monthly or di kaya yearly para ma-access mo yung benefits. Especially sa cellphone nyo, ha? Sige nga. Ayan, sige, type nyo nga dyan. Okay? Oh, thank you sa mga nagta-type, ha? Ayan. So, ito yung mga ibang example niyan. Okay? We have Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, Rocket Car Wash, and many more. Yun yung mga popular na membership, club membership. So, anong common sa kanila? Ang mga tao nagbabayad dyan monthly o di kaya yearly para ano, ma-enjoy yung free shipping, unlimited movies, discount sa mga products doon sa loob ng store, unlimited car wash. Yan po yung common sa kanila. Ito, may naalala ba kayo sa atin? Kayo man nagbabayad ng kuryente, ng tubig, nagpapaload, naghuhulog. Ayan. So, alam niyo po last time, nung nakaraang kahapon, no? Ayan, pumunta po kami sa SS. Ayan, tinignan po namin kung ilang pababayaran. Okay, so marami pang kailangang bayaran pero ayan, kasi magsi-senior na po yung papa ko eh. Ayan, nagbabayad siya para magkaroon siya ng ano po no, ng pension. O, 'di ba? Ayan. So, ayan po, ito pa yung mga sample. So, ngayon pag-usapan natin more about this one. Okay, alam niyo po ba ang company po natin, si Livegood, mas malapit po siya sa SNR and Lanters. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin about this industry kasi ito yung hindi alam ng karamihan na ang laki pala nito. And in fact, this is a blue ocean industry. Oh, sample natin Netflix, no? Around 600 plus mahigit yung binabayaran, 'di ba? Ito yung di alam ng iba na 300 plus million subscribers nang meron sa kanila. 45.2 billion revenue last year and 10.4 billion net profit. So na-imagine na gaano kayaman yung may-ari. Costco, 145 million members and 5.3 billion US dollar yung revenue, no? Grabe, 'di ba? So, though these companies offers amazing products and services, they don't have what LiveGood has. Ano po 'yun? Memberships that pays. Ayan. So ngayon, try natin i-compare LiveGood versus other companies. Ibang companies, meron silang siyempre magandang products, walang question 'yun. At the same time, magandang services. Kaso nga lang, wala pong income. Whereas dito po sa atin, you can be consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, or even shareholder. Ayan. So ngayon, papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Okay? So, ngayon, tatanungin ko kayo. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Sino dito gusto kumita ng dollars? Pa-type ako ng dollar sign. Ayan, dollar sign. Hindi magta-type, hindi kikita ng dollars. Ayan, kailangan pa takutin, no? Ayan, kidding aside, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So ngayon, paano natin ma-access yung benefits na in-offer ng company? So, ang gagawin lang natin is maging affiliate member. Mag-i-enroll lang po. Yan, no? Parang school lang, no? Mag-i-enroll, yes. Magbabayad lang. Or, in other words, magsusubscribe. Yan, as an affiliate member. Okay, we have two options. Unang option natin is monthly. So, magkano babayaran? $40 and $9.95. So, in pesos, so ngayon medyo tumaas po yan, no? But yung before, that's 3,000. Siguro mga 3,000 plus na kasi umabot na po ng 61 eh. 'Di ba? So, yan, tumaas talaga, din natin mapigilan eh, inflation, no? But in succeeding months natin, syempre we are in subscription business, 600 pesos lang yung babayaran. Pero may good news ako. Yan, sino gusto dito ng libre? Pa-type ako ng free. Yan, o sino gusto ng libre? Type mo dyan, type mo free. Meron tayong pangalawang options. Okay, you have the yearly. Okay, one-time affiliate fee na $40 and yearly membership fee na 99.95. So that's around 8,400 pesos. Yan, or 8,6 na yata, may get, no? Ayan, so di lang natin na-update basta medyo pataas na po ngayon kasi yung palitan. Ayan. Pero ang good news kasi meron kang libreng 2 months or meron kang libreng $20. Kasi instead na 12 months yung babayaran mo, kasi 12 months, di ba, yung 1 year. 10 months lang babayaran mo. Yung 2 months, binigay na sa'yo ng company ng libre. Ayan. So, ganun siya kaganda. Okay? So, ano naman yung benefits? And take note lang po, no, yung ito ang shinare ko kanina, purely membership lang po yun. Wala pong physical products. We are not a traditional MLM or direct selling company na pag nag-join ka, may bit-bit kang products, no? May bit-bit kang mga package. Dito wala na po yan. Tinanggal na po yan. So dito, ano mga benefit natin dito? We have access to membership club, no? Lahat ng ating mga products and services ma-access po natin. Okay, digital marketing products, so lahat po ng ating tool system access din po natin. And we also have not just one, not just two, but 9. Yes, 9 replicated websites. Ibig sabihin, no, replicated yan na ginawa na po ng company, and pag nag-member ka, affiliate member, okay, is that magkakaroon ka niyan and matindi kasi may pangalan mo sa taas. Na parang sa'yo talaga. And free online training via Zoom. Okay, ayan, may mga trainings din po tayo na kinakandak and lifetime support. Okay, and save up to 75% on our products compared to other companies and 9 ways to earn. So ito po yung mga sample ng ating replicated websites. Yan, we have company site, landing pages, dalawa, no? And actually, i-improve pa po ito. Okay, na-improve na po unang-una na ating landing pages. Mas pinaganda pa. We have retail site, dalawang product site, free detox, and Live Good Clinic and Health Assessment websites. Ayan. And ito naman ang ating compensation plan. How do we make money? Okay? Paano tayo kikita dito? So we have two powerful system. Okay? We have Unilevel and Matrix, Force Matrix po. Okay? Ayan. So, paano ba yan? Ngayon, pag-usapan natin, ito pong 9 ways to earn, but hindi ko pwede discuss lahat. Yung mga importante lang. Okay? So, ngayon, unang-unang dito ang ating, okay, retail commissions. We have 2 ways to earn, shop link or physical product. So, example na po dito, itong ating greens and rents, once na nakabenta po tayo. Yan, through our link kasi dropshipping tayo eh. Company ng bahala mag-ship lahat. No, mangolekta ng bayad, etc. So, ngayon, ang difference niyan is $6. Pag nakabenta po tayo niyan, meron tayong $3 na earnings. So, yung $3 na po sa atin, $3 sa company. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, international pack. Okay? We have, of course, our member price at $99.95 and retail price $129.85. So, difference, $30. So, magkano sa atin? $15. So, yung 15, punta sa company. Okay? So, ito naman yung ating fast start. Okay, once na meron kang na-sharean, may nag-enroll sa ating business, sa ating program. Okay, may nag-member, meron kang 600 pesos. Okay, every membership. No? So, membership, ibig sabihin, nag-enroll sila, 600 pesos lang yung binayad. Okay, pwede yun. Yes, pwede po yun. Yan, pwede yun. So, kung gusto lang nila ng product, ayaw nila ng kitaan muna. Kasi pwede yun eh. Okay, so pag may na-enroll ka this week na 10 members, meron ka in the following week na 3,000. Okay? And ito naman, affiliate to affiliate. Okay, dito naman is you can earn $25. Ibig sabihin, yung inyong na-enroll is nagbayad ng 3,000. So, ibig sabihin, kalahati, 50% kinita mo. 1,500. Okay, so for example, this week may na-enroll ka na 5. In the following week, meron kang 125. Di ba? So you can earn and enroll as many people as you can, earn unlimited $25 as well. And ito po yung sample computation natin. Alam niyo po ba, power of 5 lang po. Ibig sabihin, refer ka ng 5, yung 5 ganun din. Power of 5 lang po. Okay? Alam niyo po ba? Ito, sabi natin 10 years na lang to. Every year, tigli 5. 10 years, you can earn 6.1 million US dollar. That's 369 million pesos, guys. Ganun ka-generous. Unang kitaan pa lang. Unang kitaan pa lang. In fact, the company pays out up to 80% of the fast start bonus. Yes po. Ganun katindi, ganun kalupit. O, di ba? Oh. Oh, ito po, no? Ating top, ano po natin, ang ating top 10. Okay, alam niyo po bang top 10 natin? Grabe. Tingnan mo naman, 7 figures. Unang kitaan pa lang, may kumita na ng 7 figures in pesos. 1M, 1.4, 1.7, 1.8, 2M, 3.6 million. Grabe. 'Di ba? Oh. And ito po yung ating mga rank up. Yeah, bronze, at least dalawa lang. Okay, di ko to discuss ng detailed. Okay, but bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea. Bronze, dalawa lang. Yung silver naman natin is at least 20 total team. Minimum. Gold is 100 total team. Platinum 500 total team. Diamond is 2,500. Crown diamond is 50,000 total team. Right? Yan. And, okay. Ayan. Dito naman, meron tayong tinatawag na matrix bonus. Okay, sa matrix bonus po natin, we can earn 0.25 cents. Yan. Every time nakabuild tayo ng subscribers, nakabuild tayo ng team, subscribers, meron tayong 14 pesos or 15 pesos pala. Tumaas na yung, yung palitan di ba? So, ang gulang natin dito is find 2, help 2, find 2. So, paano ba yan? O, ikaw yung nasa taas. First level mo, 2. Second level, 4. Third level is 8. 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Okay? Alam niyo po ba that up to 8 level, pag napuno to, 256, di ba? Times 0.25 cents, magkano yan? $64. Guys, that's $64. And pag napuno yung matrix mo, kahit 12 level lang ha, you can earn 2,000 plus or 100,000 plus every single month. That is month after month, after month, after month. Every single month. Pwede, pwedeng pwede. Pwedeng pwede. Diba? Pero hindi pa diyan yung exciting part. Ito yung sobrang exciting part kasi itong matching, no? Alam niyo po ba na mind blown ako or sa term namin before, nabaliw? Kasi ngayon lang ako nakakita, nakarinig na you can earn kalahati. Yes, maraming companies out there merong 5, 10, 15, siguro malaki na 20. Malaki na 20. Pero ito, grabe, 50%. Kalahati ng kinikita ng enrollees mo dito. Matindi kasi generational. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang kikita sa mga personal na referrals mo, kundi sa entire team. Oh, okay? Ayan. So, depende rin sa rank nila. So, for example, no, ayan, ikaw natulungan mo si Mateo under your matrix, nakabayad siya maraming subscriber, kumita 10K, magkano sa'yo? 5,000. Si Marie, 5,000 kinita, sa'yo 2,500. Lucy, 15K, sa'yo 7,500. Arthur, 1K, sa'yo 500. Robert, 20K, sa'yo 10,000. So dito, the more directs enrollees you have, the more you earn 50% sa matching. Okay? So dito pa lang, grabe na, no? Infinite wide din. Okay? And ang matindi nito guys, no? Ayan, ito, pakita ko sa inyo sample. Okay? So ito po, income po natin. Ayan. Okay? So dito, bago lang po na nag-diamond, no? Si Coach Ryan that time. Alam niyo po ba, yung 15, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo? Yung 15, naipon po yun sa isang buwan. Dumami yung team niya. Kumita po siya ng 55,000 that time. O, totoo ba? May kalahati 50%. Yes, 27,000 kinita natin that time. Yung mama ko, natulungan ko po siya, nakabuild kami ng team, 37K kinita niya, sa akin magkano? 18K. Ah. Si Dave, kumita ng 18K, sa akin 9K. Ito matindi sa kapatid ko. Alam niyo po ba, hindi lang ako isang beses kundi 3 beses ako kumita sa kanya. Siyempre hindi 'yun binawas sa income niya, iba lang po yung sa kanya at sa akin. So dahil nga siyempre hindi ko siya enrollee po siya ng mama ko, okey? Kumita ako ng, additional 4,000 at meron pa additional na another 2,000 and another 2,000. 3 beses. Eh, marami 'yan, merong 30, 20, 15, 10, 5, merong 1, 25, 0.25, 0.50, ang dami. In fact, umabot po ng 6 figures 'yan. Gano'n kalupit, oh. So dito 'pag nag-bronze po tayo, nag-bronze po kayo, okey? Yan po, we encourage 'no, kung kaya niyong i-enroll yung at least dalawa of your family member na siyempre mas maganda at matrabaho niyo rin. Kasi darating yung time, yung matrix nila at matching mo sa dalawa mong family member, you can earn 500,000. Darating ang time 'pag mapuno yung ano niyo, mga matrices niyo, you can earn 500,000 every single month. That is month after month, every single month. Oh, ito pa 'pag na-refer ka ng 20. 'No, natulungan mo, napuno yung matrix din nila, 'no? Ang mga tao nagbabayad ng products, bumibili ng products, nagbabayad every month, bumibili ng products din, okay, you can earn up to 7 figures. Legit ba 'yan? Yes, kasi meron na pong nakagagawa at kumikita talaga na 'yan, yung 7 figures talaga. That is 1,000,000 every single month. That is month after month, after month, after month. Ito po sample earnings ng, mga Live affiliates natin. Alam niyo po ba nag-gold po siya, 'yan kumita lang naman siya that time ng at least 17K, 'yan okey na rin 'no? Oh, nag-platinum po siya, matindi. 'Yan kumita po siya ng 200,000. Sarap, 'di ba? Ayan, okey? So, laking tulong na po niyan especially sa atin sa panahon ngayon. But hindi lang diyan nagtatapos, meron pa po tayong diamond bonus pool. So, ito naman is ito na po yung tinatawag na share, para kang shareholder. Ayan. So, parang kang co-owner ng company, pero hindi ka may-ari. Hindi ka nag-invest ng milyon. Kasi kailangan pagka co-owner ka or shareholder dapat siyempre meron kang invest na milyon, 'di ba? Oh, pero ito hindi. Oh, mag-enroll ka lang, trabahuin mo. Dito yung 2% ng total sales ng company ibibigay sa diamond. Example, 50M times 2%, ang mangyayari is, kikita I mean, yung ipapamigay sa mga diamonds is 1M. So, let's say merong 200 diamonds, $5,000. Okay? Oh, ito sample natin, kay Coach Ryan 'no, yan. So, in 3 months time, nag-diamond po siya, 3 months time, matindi. Kumita lang naman po siya almost 7 figures. Kung isasama po natin yung fast start, 7 figures po yan. 6 digit. Gano'n kalupit guys. Yun po yung potential. Alright? Ito pa Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Kung kanina 2%, ito naman 0.5%. Okay? Ayan, 0.5%. So, dito, okay, yung Crown Diamond natin, same pa rin na scenario, 50M times 0.5. So, lahat ng Crown Diamond, maghati-hati ng around 250. Yan. So, divide, tatlong Crown Diamond, 83,000. So, yan, sample dito ni si Tim Miller. Okay, unang Crown Diamond, 13 months time, guys. Alam niyo ba, 13 months time, kumita siya ng 7 figures in US dollar. And sa isang buwan lang, magkano po kinita niya? Kumita po siya ng 4M. Matindi, bakit? 2023 pa po yan. That's 2023. Anong year na po ngayon? Siguro times 2 or times 3 na po yan, yung total na kinita niya. Grabe, di ba? And that's our future. Okay? Ayan po, no? Ito po yung mga kumita and kasama na rin po tayo dyan, no? And sobrang inspiring po itong ating, of course, si unang Crown Diamond, si Tim Miller. Naka-wheelchair po yan, no? Talagang cellphone lang yung gamit niya. Grabe. Yan. Okay? And as of now, nasa 2.2M na tayo mahigit. Members and affiliates. Tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan. No? Kung isi-search niyo po yung mga famous subscription companies, Netflix, Amazon Prime, or even yung Costco, yan, yung Spotify, no? Kasi nababayad yung mga tao dyan eh. Millions, 100, 200, 300 million subscribers nila. Yun po yung future natin. No? And the vision natin will have 20 to 30 million members and affiliates in 10 to 20 years. And projection natin, at least this year, 3 million subscribers bago matapos yung taon. In God's will. No? So ngayon, sa mga first timer, sa mga bago dito, if you've been here and you've tuned in, you stayed with me till the end, ako, baka ito na yun. Ito na yung hinahanap mo, ito na yung pinagpe-pray mo. Ang kailangan mo lang is decision, is to take action. Kasi parang train po ito. Yung, di ba, yung train dadaan, tapos bubukas yung pinto, sasara, tapos whether sumakay ka o hindi, aandar siya. Tama? Ito ganun din. Pero hindi ito ordinary train. This is a bullet train. Parang, alam mo yun, Shanghai Maglev or Shinkansen na ang bilis. Na sobrang bilis, guys. Okay? Sobrang bilis. So ngayon, if you are watching this, especially kung ikaw floating networker na ko, baka ito na yung sign mo. Kailangan mo lang mag-take action at simulan to. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, here are the remaining reasons why, of course, should join. Number one, we just officially launched globally. So, nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. Take note. And we also have high quality, very affordable health products and marketing system, tools, and training. And nakikita nyo sa background nyo, isa yan sa improvise na landing page natin na sobrang ganda. Grabe. And simple, powerful, lucrative, and talagang very generous na pay plan. No? Ito lang yung nakita ko na napaka-generous po talaga sa totoo lang. And of course, successful, fun, and winning team. So with that, ang tanong, do you want to become affiliate member, a member, or retail customer? Okay, if I were you, become letter A, affiliate member. Yan po yung suggestion ko. Okay? So before tayo mag-end, I'll just leave you with this one verse. Jeremiah 29:11 says here that for I know the plans I have for you. And yung sabi ni Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Guys, if you truly believe na may magandang future si Lord sa buhay mo, then baka isa to. Isa to sa pinagpe-pray mo. No? Remember that faith without work is dead. Kung naniniwala ka, may magandang plano si Lord sa buhay mo, kailangan din maggalaw-galaw, no? Galaw-galaw din minsan. Okay? Kaya, again, welcome in advance. Okay? And, of course, get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C.